I invite you to come with me on a magical journey as I showcase the incredible features of GPT for Forms, the Google Workspace add-on that lets you instantly create quizzes, tests, and exams from your content, like YouTube videos, Google Docs, or just a simple topic using the power of artificial intelligence. So I'm going to take you start to finish here as we install the application and then create a quiz. So simply click this install button, select the account that you would like to add the extension for, hit continue, and allow permissions. It'll install in just a breeze, and once you're done with that, open up Google Forms. You can use GPT for Forms on an existing form or a blank form. I'll start with one from scratch. To access the add-on, click the little puzzle piece icon and select GPT for Google Forms. Hit open. You'll see a few options here. I'm going to jump right to the good stuff. First, creating a quiz from your own content like your Google Doc. I'll select Google Doc and then select my document. This little disclaimer here says that we can look at the content inside of the document, only the one that you select. So I've got a little Google Doc about the Jurassic period. Here we're going to see a preview of that content just to validate that this is the one that you want to create a quiz about. And I'll hit finish. You'll see the name of your document here, and then you've got a few other options. You can choose the quiz difficulty. I'm teaching 9th graders. I want to have a 10-question quiz and 4 answer choices per question. Of course, one of those 4 answers will be the correct answer. We'll wait just a moment here as it does its thing. Oh, here we go. So now I can preview my quiz. I've got 10 questions here. I can either re-roll and get some new questions and answers, or if I'm satisfied, add those to the form. And maybe I'm done, but I'm not done. I'm going to make this quiz extra hard for my 9th graders and add some content from a YouTube video that I showed in class. So I'm going to go back here and then click YouTube, proceed.
The Jurassic period.
Here's a YouTube video about the dinosaurs. I'm just going to copy and paste the link right here. It's going to tell me the title of the video, so I know that that's the one that I'm looking for. Again, we're teaching 9th graders, and I'm going to add 5 questions from that video. Ta-da! I'll add those questions to my form. And finally, let's say you want to add questions or create an entire quiz from just a topic. You don't have any content. You want the magic of AI to provide the content for you. I'll just type in the Jurassic period. And here we have a 5-question quiz about the Jurassic period without any reference content. I'll add these questions to my form. Last but not least, I want to add a bonus extra credit question. And I want a specific question that I know my class ought to know the answer to. That's going to be, what was the tallest dinosaur? It's a multiple choice question, and I'll let GPT for Forms tell me what the correct answer is. You can see the incorrect answers as well as the correct answer. Did you know that the Sauroposeidon was the tallest dinosaur? Neither did I. Learned something new today. And now I can add that question to my form. And you're done. Of course, now you can do all sorts of stuff like edit the title of your quiz, rearrange questions, format them, add pictures, whatever you'd like. But as an educator using GPT for Forms, you're now able to create engaging educational content faster than you ever have before.